Dr. Wiggy's here to talk about snoring and how to treat it.
Yeah.
Oh.
This affects a lot of people.
It affects a lot of people, and probably not even so much the patients, but their partners.
Exactly. The
Drives
patients
people
normally
crazy.
sleep through it because they're the ones snoring, right? How do you treat it?
Well, the first thing is really to determine if this is a problem for the patient. So the first thing I think about when I hear snoring is I think about sleep apnea. Have you guys ever heard a partner with sleep apnea?
My dad has that, and he wears the mask for it.
Right, so that's one thing they can do. But
and you stop literally breathing at night.
But that's right. That's the way you define it. So sleep apnea is defined by, it's usually heard by snoring, but it's defined by actually pauses of breathing at night, and then followed by a rescue breath. So like they stop breathing and they go trying to catch their breath. Yeah. So if they have that, there are some things that can be done. Guess what? The best thing to do for sleep apnea is weight loss.
Right.
That's the best treatment for that. But then if that doesn't work, CPAP can help, and that both of those can help with snoring a little bit.
Yeah, and it's dangerous to stop breathing in the middle of the night.
Yeah, you need to breathe. You need to breathe. But if this is just run-of-the-mill snoring, it's not really causing any problem to the patient. It is going to be driving the partner crazy. There are some cool procedures that can be done for this, and I was spending some time last week with Greensboro Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates, and they were showing me this pretty cool procedure that they do that can really improve snoring symptoms. And it's called, and I'm not sure, make sure I can get this right, but it's called laser-assisted uvulopalatoplasty.
Okay, that sounds like it involves the back of your throat.
It does. It does. So what they do is basically they use a laser and they kind of carve out the back of your soft palate and open up your airway more.
And you're asleep while they're doing this, aren't
you? Yeah, of course.
Okay, good.
Just local. Just local anesthesia. But yeah, you're asleep. So they basically carve open that back part, opens up the airway, and it really seems to make a big difference with snoring. There are some other less invasive things that can be done. You probably want to also evaluate kind of your nasal passages and your turbinates. You want to make sure that that's open. And there's also kind of some more or less invasive ones you can do. But
you have to put the name of that procedure on your Facebook page so people can see it.
And Google it and look it up. That sounds good.
You cannot put a price on a good night's sleep, though.
Absolutely. If my wife was snoring, I'd make her go lay down.
Don't forget, Dr. Wiggy has plenty of great tips and suggestions online. He's going to put that procedure online, too. So go to his Facebook page, search Dr. Wiggy.